Grab your helmets. Imagine you're standing on Earth, staring up at the night sky. Everything seems normal until it isn't. Because tonight, Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, has vanished. No warning, no explosion. No trace, just gone. Now you might shrug and say, big deal. We've still got the sun, right? But that would be a massive mistake. Because if Jupiter disappeared, the solar system and life as we know it would start to unravel. Jupiter isn't just the biggest planet in the solar system. It's more massive than all the other planets combined. In fact, it's so big it's been called a failed star, just shy of becoming a second sun. But here's what really matters. Jupiter's gravity is insane. It holds moons in place, shapes asteroid belts, and stabilizes orbits throughout the system. So what happens when that gravitational giant is suddenly removed? Let's find out. First, Jupiter is basically Earth's security system. Its gravity acts like a shield, sucking in or flinging away thousands of incoming asteroids and comets. This isn't a theory, it's fact. In 1994, we watched a comet called Shoemaker-Levy 9 slam into Jupiter with the force of millions of nuclear bombs. If Jupiter hadn't been there, that comet might have hit Earth instead. And that would have ended a lot more than just the news cycle. Without Jupiter, the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter becomes unstable. Gravity that once held it in check is gone. Over time, countless rocks, some the size of mountains, start drifting toward the inner planets. And guess who's first in the line of fire? Earth. Now let's talk about orbits. Jupiter's gravity helps keep every planet in line, literally. It acts like a cosmic anchor, keeping Earth and its neighbors in mostly stable, circular paths around the sun. Take Jupiter away, that balance collapses. Over thousands or even just hundreds of years, the orbits of Mars, Earth, and even Venus could start to drift. Some might collide, some might be flung into deep space. Earth could move closer to the sun or too far away. Either way, we're in trouble. Even a small shift in Earth's orbit would be catastrophic. Move too close to the sun and the planet begins to overheat. Ice caps melt, oceans rise. Entire ecosystems collapse. Move too far away and we enter an endless ice age. Crops fail. Livestock die. Human civilization starts to unravel. All because one planet disappeared. And the chaos wouldn't stop there. You see, Jupiter didn't just protect Earth, it helped create it. 4.5 billion years ago, Jupiter formed first. Its enormous gravity shaped the way the rest of the solar system formed. Without Jupiter, Earth might never have existed. Or if it did, it might have been pulled into the sun, or bombarded to death before life ever had a chance to begin. Even today, Jupiter's presence affects how moons form, how gases move, and how planets behave. So if it disappeared, we'd be losing a cornerstone of everything that keeps our system running. Now here's a question. Could we survive Jupiter's disappearance? Technically, yes, and for a while. Nothing would explode instantly. Earth wouldn't be knocked off its axis tomorrow. But slow chaos would begin. Asteroids would inch closer. Seasons would go haywire. Orbits would destabilize. It might take decades or even centuries. But without Jupiter, the clock would start ticking. And eventually, life on Earth would face a cosmic-level threat. So the next time you hear someone say Jupiter doesn't matter, it's just a big ball of gas. Remember this. That big ball of gas is why we're here. Why Earth isn't shattered, scorched, or frozen. Why life had a fighting chance in the first place. Jupiter may not shine like the sun, but it holds the solar system together in more ways than we realize. And if it ever vanished, we'd feel it hard. Make sure to subscribe if you love space like I do.